Okay guys, well, it can't get much more accurate than this. If you guys, I know a lot of people are curious what my 0 to 60 time is. This is a log straight out HP tuners. This is with 2700 RPM launch. And I truly believe that my launch with lower RPM is faster. But I didn't log that because this was at the track the other day. So how do I do this? How do I calculate my 0 to 60 in HP tuners? Well, you can really dial it down, right down to, you can see your timestamp down here. So 760, 756, 49, 651. So we're gonna come up here, and I can tick over, in you know, in tenths of seconds, hundreds of seconds, thousands of seconds even. So see how we're at 1 mile per hour. So we're going to tick this back down till we're at 0 mile per hour, because 1 is when we're moving. So we're going to go right there, which is the tick right before we actually take off. So we can come down here, we can look at the timestamp. 756:49.61 is where we start. Alright, and then we're just going to come over here. We're going to click play. And you guys can watch, and we can pause it, except I missed the pause. Alright, so now we're going to rewind a little bit here. Sorry as I screw this up. Alright, I'm going to play again. This time we're going to pause it right at the right spot. Alright, pause it at 45. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go to half speed. And we're going to pause it right there. Now we're going to tick back to 60. Alright, and we're going to look down here. There we go, 60 mile an hour. We're going to go down here and we're going to look at our timestamp again. 756:53.3. So we're 49.6 to 53.3. So we're 3.7 seconds.